Explanation of Article 300 of the Indian Constitution. Context and purpose. Article 300 of the Indian Constitution lays down the legal framework for suing and being sued in the name of the Government of India, Union, and state governments. It defines how legal proceedings involving the government are to be conducted and ensures the continuity of legal responsibilities from the pre-independence era. Key provisions of Article 300. 1. Legal personality of the government, Clause 1. The Government of India can sue or be sued in the name of Union of India. Similarly, a state government can sue or be sued in the name of that state. This applies subject to any law made by Parliament or state legislature, meaning Parliament or a state legislature can modify these provisions through legislation. Legal continuity. The government can be sued in the same manner as the Dominion of India, before independence, and the provinces or Indian states, British era administrative divisions. Example, if a person wants to file a case against the Government of India, they must file it against Union of India, not against the Prime Minister or President personally. Similarly, if a dispute is with the Government of Maharashtra, it should be filed against State of Maharashtra. Why is this important? Establishes the government as a legal entity that can be taken to court. Prevents unnecessary lawsuits against government officials personally. Ensures legal continuity from pre-independence laws. 2. Substitution in pending cases, Clause 2. If there were any legal cases pending before the commencement of the Constitution, 26 January 1950, cases against or by the Dominion of India will now continue with the Union of India as the party. Cases against or by British-era provinces or Indian states will continue with the corresponding Indian state as the party. Example: if a person had a lawsuit against the British-era province of Bombay, after independence, the case automatically continues against the state of Maharashtra. If a business had a legal contract with the Dominion of India before 1950, any disputes after independence would be against the Union of India. Why is this important? Prevents legal voids by ensuring old legal cases continue under the new government. Ensures smooth legal transition from British rule to independent India. Implications of Article 300. The government has the same legal rights and liabilities as a private entity in cases related to contracts, torts, and other disputes. Legal continuity from British rule to independent India is maintained. The government is accountable before the courts, ensuring fairness in public dealings. Conclusion. Article 300 establishes the legal identity of the union and state governments in legal proceedings. It ensures continuity from pre-independence laws and provides a clear mechanism for lawsuits involving the government, making it accountable under the legal system. The Constitution of India. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 3, Property, Contracts, Rights, Liabilities. Obligations and Suits. Article 300. Suits and Proceedings. 1. The Government of India may sue or be sued by the name of the Union of India, and the Government of a state may sue or be sued by the name of the state and may, subject to any provisions which may be made by Act of Parliament or of the Legislature of such state, enacted by virtue of powers conferred by this Constitution, sue or be sued in relation to their respective affairs in the like cases as the Dominion of India and the corresponding provinces or the corresponding Indian states might have sued or been sued if this Constitution had not been enacted. 2. If at the commencement of this Constitution, a. Any legal proceedings are pending to which the Dominion of India is a party, the Union of India shall be deemed to be substituted for the Dominion in those proceedings, and b. any legal proceedings are pending to which a province or an Indian state is a party, the corresponding state shall be deemed to be substituted for the province or the Indian state in those proceedings.